Struggling to grow your TikTok? Here's a secret most creators won't tell you. What if you could get real followers without paying anything and without risking your account? In this video, we reveal the latest working method to gain followers 100% free. No apps, no logins, just results. These are simple tricks that actually work, and I'll even show you live proof. So make sure you watch till the end, because you don't want to miss the method that's boosting thousands of accounts right now. Let's get you viral. Starting now.
First, open any browser and search for DJAKB. As soon as you search, the website djakb.com will appear at the top. Click on it to open the site. Once it's open, scroll up and down a little to let the website load properly. Now scroll down, and you'll see a search option. Click on it. You need to search for social boosting without any spaces. As soon as you search it, an article will appear right at the top. This is the one we'll use to get both likes and followers for free. So quickly open that article, click on Read More, and scroll down. You'll see a small timer running, just wait for it to complete. Once the timer ends, click the button that appears, and boom, you'll reach the trick. Okay, this is the method we'll be using today. You can use this trick once every 24 hours. First, enter your TikTok username. After your profile loads, enter your active email. Once you've entered your email, click Send. A code will be sent to your inbox. I've received my email, so I'll open it and copy the code. Now paste the code into the trick page and click Verify. The timer will start again, wait until it ends. Once it's done, your order will be placed automatically, and shortly after that, you'll receive a confirmation email. That's all you need to do, and in just 10 to 20 minutes, you'll start getting free TikTok followers. I hope you found this trick helpful. See you in the next video.